Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how we can add music to CapCut project. Okay, let's get into it. Here I have created a project in my CapCut application. And first of all, if we want to add music to CapCut, we can click on this add audio option, or you can also tap on this audio. And it's the same. And I'm just going to click on audio. Then we can click on sounds. And here we have some options. We can use the music from CapCut. You can use the music which have been available in your CapCut by tapping on its category like this. Then these are the music from CapCut. If you want to use it, you have to download it first by clicking on this download option. Then after you have downloaded this music, you will be able to use it for your editing in CapCut. You can also use the TikTok sounds right here. But if you want to use the TikTok sounds, you have to link your TikTok account with your CapCut. Then you can also see the CapCut recommendation right here. And if you want to import music from your device, you can click on this option. Then you can click on device. And here I'm just going to select a music from my device. I'm going to go with this music. Then we just need to click on this plus button. And now the music has been added to my CapCut project. Alright guys, and that's how we can add music to CapCut. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you on the next video.